I've got these 3 new houseplants and today I'm going to transplant them and brighten up my office a little bit. These all plants do require proper care as removing dead-headed flowers and leaves, regular balanced liquid fertilization, and not that much water. Rather, these plants need to get water when the topsoil dried up. So let's start transplanting it. This is Cyclamen. Look how beautiful flowers and foliage it has. Many people receive it as a gift on a holiday because it blooms in winter. I'm taking a plastic container here and I'm using this piece of thermocol as a drainage in here. It will reduce water retention in the pot. I'm adding some soil at the bottom and checking how tall the current pot is. I'm adding some balanced organic fertilizer in here so it will help with transplant shock. Also, I'm mixing 1 part of succulent mix in potting soil so it will help with water drainage. It goes into dormancy in summer. Currently, it is having its last flowers of the season and then all its foliage will turn yellow and this plant will go into dormancy. At that stage, I need to keep this plant in a hot dry place and in September, as soon as I start watering it, it will start emerging from the ground with its beautiful foliage and flower for the next season. It would be good winter interest. You can mix this soil beforehand. Here I am just working with both and eyeballing it. Let's move to African violet. I am taking a terracotta planter for this. Again, using thermocol pieces to help with the water drainage. I am using a similar method by adding 3 parts of potting soil and 1 part of succulent mix for good drainage. And also some balanced fertilizer. Teasing roots from the bottom so it can spread roots better in the pot and not just coiling it up. And adding some soil to cover up to the top. Look at that rich color and contrast. It just looks like pearls. Also, foliage has a velvety texture. I like to have a variety of foliage in my plants and this is a unique texture. Here I am just trying to remove some soil from the leaves. This is English ivy. Look at these roots. This is not good. This should be transplanted to bigger plant a while ago. But no worries, this is a tough plant and can tolerate drought and full sun to shade, all climate, except frost of course. Due to this characteristic, this plant can be invasive in outside garden and end up choking other plants. But indoors, it would be in a controlled environment and lovely to look at. It can retain moisture in the air, thus it is good to have it indoors. Sorry, I lost my recording for the English ivy transplant. I have added similar 3 parts of potting mix and 1 part of succulent mix for increase in water drainage. I kept the length because I wanted to keep it on the top of the cabinet. Look at this. How pretty does it look? And this is cyclamen on my table with African violets. This is my bappa with my other plants. The look came together here. What do you guys think? Please like this video and subscribe to my channel to follow my journey. Thank you for watching.